What's up everybody, Moto Smith here again, and this video is just a follow up on the last video that I posted a couple of days ago about the bike not starting. As it turns out, somebody had decided to give the bike a couple of revs while it was off. You know what that meant? Kind of flooded out the cylinders, and that's the reason why, even though there was the spark plugs were good and the air was getting in and there was fuel, that's basically the reason why the bike wasn't starting. It was just sputtering and backfiring a bit. Actually making this video real quick because, as you can hear, I got a leak. I just put a bit of air in the rear wheel, just enough to get me to the vulcanizing shop, so that I can get the rear wheel brake oiled, and I'm gonna go for a little bit of a ride. And yeah, so let me just start it up for you guys so you can see. So basically what I did to correct this was I put the bike in 6th gear, then I turned the system on, and what I did basically was I bump started the bike in 6th gear a couple of times, and what that did was got the cylinders moving so that it would work out the fuel that was in the cylinders, got them freed up. The rich mixture is always keeping the bike from starting, so with that excess fuel out of the cylinders, they were basically reset to the normal conditions that it would take for the bike to have combustion. So basically what I did was I ran out all the excessive fuel, got the cylinders clear again, and the bike started up just fine. So yeah, let me just go ahead and start up for you guys real quick so you can see. Alright, and button start. There we go.